Hello, grade 3. My name is Teacher Tom. That's me. I will be your grade 3 teacher for this semester. So let's start with Unit 1. Unit 1 in your student book. So what are we going to look at today? In this class today, we are going to look at days of the week. Now, I'm sure you know your days of the week, but it's always good to practice. And they are at the start of your student book. Do you know them? How many are there? Yeah, there are 7. Okay. Next, we're going to look at the seasons. The seasons are the different times of the year where the weather changes from hot to cold to rainy to starting again. There are 4 seasons. In Thailand, there are 3 seasons, but we'll talk about that in this lesson today. And lastly, we will talk about ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used to tell us where things are in a group or a list or a team. So, just to give you an example, 1 is a number, 1, nung. But the ordinal number would be first, tinung. Do you understand? It's okay if you don't, because we're going to look at it today. Okay, this is what I want you to do. I want you to have your student book ready to use, but please do not open it yet. Open it when I tell you to open it in the lesson, or I say, please look at page number 5, look at page number 4. Okay, just have your book ready. You don't need any pen today. You don't need your workbook. You just need your eyes, your ears, and your finger. And I want you to speak at home with me. Practice the words. Don't be shy, okay? One more thing, I would suggest that you have headphones. It's much better. You can hear me much better if you have headphones. Okay? Great. Let's start the class. Okay, so let's start by looking at Unit 1. Unit 1 starts with the days of the week. Now, I'm sure you know the days of the week, but I think it's a good idea that we practice so that we don't forget. So let's start with, are you ready? Monday. What's next? Tuesday. Next one. That's right. Wednesday. Okay, what's the next one? Yeah, Thursday. And the next one? You got it. Friday. These are the weekdays. These are the days that you go to school. And so do I. Okay, but we know there are 2 more. What are they? Okay, what's the next one? Yes, Saturday. And the last one, did you remember? Sunday. Now, Saturday and Sunday have a special name when they are talked about together. Saturday and Sunday. What do you call it in Thai? Wan Yut. What is it in English? Do you know? Did you get it? Yeah, it's the weekend. The days of the week can be written so that they are short. This way we do not have to write out all of the letters, so we can write the days of the week quickly. We still know what they are: Mon, Monday, Tu, Tuesday, Wed, Wednesday, Thur, Thursday, Fri, Friday, Sat, Saturday, Sun, Sunday. This is quite easy to remember. Where would we see this kind of writing of the days of the week. Can you think of something where you would see Mon and not Monday? Anywhere? Anything? A calendar. On a calendar, we see the words written like this: Sun, Mun, Chu, Wed, Thur, Fry, and Sat. Good job. Okay, next up in Unit 1 are the seasons. The seasons are the different times of the year when the weather changes. In Thailand, there are 3 seasons: the hot season, the wet season when there's lots of rain, and the cool season, which is near Christmas. Now we are in the hot season. Okay. In England and America and even China, there are 4 seasons. Do you know what they are? Okay, here is season number 1. Let's look at the picture. Wow, the grass is green. The trees are growing new leaves. This is called blossom. The trees are pink and red and white. The flowers are starting to grow. Sometimes there's rain. We call these showers, just a little bit. And this is the time of year when animals have their babies. Do you know what this season is called? That's right, it's spring. Here is the season that comes after spring. What can we see? Oh, it looks very hot. The weather is warm. People are at the beach and swimming in the sea. The sun must be very bright in this season. Do you know this season? Yeah, that's right. It's summer. Wow, look at this. This is the season that comes after summer. The leaves have turned to orange and yellow, and they have fallen off the trees, and they are now on the ground. Some of the birds have flown away to another country where it's warm, and animals like bears and squirrels and even snakes start to sleep for a long time. This season is fall. Okay, fall is finished and now there are no leaves on the trees. The weather is very cold and dry. There is a lot of snow. Can you see it? All that white snow. It's very, very cold. What season is this? Yeah, that's right. It's winter. Okay, let's remember. Can you remember the names of the seasons? Don't cheat. Don't look at your book. Stay with me here. Let's see what you can remember. Okay, look at these pictures. What is number 1? The trees are green. The flowers are growing. The birds are flying back from where they've been to another country where it was hot. Now they come back because it's warm. It's spring. Number 2, wow, the weather is very hot. The sun is big in the sky and the children are playing in the sea. They probably want to get an ice cream afterwards. What season is this? Yeah, it's summer. Okay, number 3. The leaves on the trees have turned brown and orange and they are falling down to the ground. It's starting to get cold. What season is this? Yeah, that's right. It's fall. Number 4. All the leaves on the trees are gone now. The weather is very cold and dry. There's snow. This girl has made a snowman and she's wearing warm clothes. She has a hat, a jacket, gloves and boots. What season is this? Yeah, that's right. It's winter. Did you get all of them? Great. Good job. Hello. Now we're going to look at ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are different to normal numbers. Normal numbers we use to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. There are 5 fingers. We know there are 5. Ordinal numbers tell us where something is in a group. We do not count with ordinal numbers. Something to remember. We do not count with ordinal numbers. How many triangles can you see here? There are 5. So we counted the triangles. I asked you the question, how many? เท่าไหร่? There are 5. You counted them. So we used the word 5. Now let's look at these stars. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 stars because I asked you the question, how many? Now I'm going to ask you the question, where? Where? ที่ไหน? Where is the 5th star? Where? Where is the 5th star? 5th is an ordinal number. 5th. Do you know where the 5th star is in this group of stars? Can you put your finger on the 5th star? Can you do it now? Put your finger on the 5th star. Touch it. Were you correct? This is the 5th star in the line of stars. 5th. 5th is an ordinal number. Okay, here we can see a group of squares. Question number 1, how many squares are there? How many squares are there? There are 20. 20. There are 20. Now, this is a group, so there must be a start and an end. Square number 1 at the start is the first square. ที่หนึ่ง the first square. The square at the end is the 20th square. 20th square. ที่20. Let's look at the second and third squares. Second, ND, because if we look at the word second, we spell it SECOND, so we keep the ND, second. Look at the third square, ที่3, RD, because third is spelled THIRD. D. All of the ordinal numbers after third are TH. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. But you're thinking, Teacher Tom, 11th has a 1, so it must be ST. No, no, no. Look at the word. E, L, E, V, E, N, T, H. TH, TH, TH. 11th. So it is TH. 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. 20th. If you need to practice this, you can just come back to this picture and practice as many times as you like with me. That's okay. Speak with me. That's no problem. Okay, let's move on. Okay, here is something to remember. When we are talking about ordinal numbers, there are 4 different groups of letters we have to remember when writing the number. First, this is ST, Tinen. Second, ND, Tisong. And third, RD, Tisam. After the third number, all of the next numbers are TH. Look at the square. They are TH. When we get to the next set of 10, here it will be 20. The 21st square will be ST because it is 20 and first. The 22nd square, T22 will be 20 and then second, ND. The 23rd square, T23 will be RD. From the 24th to the 30th will be TH. 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and 30th. They all have TH. Here we can see the 21st to the 29th, ST, ND, RD, TH, 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 TH. Then we can see the 30th, 31st, ST, 32nd, ND, 33rd, RD, 34th, TH, 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 40th, 41st, ST, 42nd, ND, 43rd, RD. It's the same, first, second, third, ST, ND, RD. Then the 44th, TH, 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 50th. And the same for all of the numbers in the 50th and the 60th and the 70th and the 80th and the 90th and then 100th. Now look at 100 and first. It is ST. Very easy to remember. If it is just 1, it's ST, first. Now look at in green. That is 211th. Now this is 11. Remember, 11 is TH, not ST. Yes, it has a 1, but it is not the first number, is it? It is the 11th, which is TH. And this is the same for all numbers with 11th. It is always, always TH. And anything with the first is always ST. 21st. T yisit et ST. 31st. T samsit et ST. Always ST. Okay, let's see what you've learned. Here are 3 different sets of pictures. Set number 1 are houses. Can you put your finger on the 3rd house? The 3rd house. Did you get it? That's it. That is the 3rd house. Okay. Next. Can you put your finger on the 6th cat? The 6th cat. Yeah. Did you get it? Good. Okay, here we have some watermelons. Can you put your finger on the 1st watermelon? The 1st watermelon. Can you touch with your finger the 1st watermelon? Good job. Excellent. Okay, here are the winners. In sport, we use ordinal numbers to say who the winners are. So if it was a running race, there will be a 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. 1st is the winner. Do you know the colours of the medals that are round the neck of these children? So if you come 1st, you get gold. If you come 2nd, you get silver. And the last one, if you come 3rd, you get bronze. That's it. Lesson number 1 finished. What did we learn today? We learnt about days of the week. You can find your days of the week on page number 4 in your student book. Then we looked at the seasons. The seasons are on page number 5 of your student book. Please practice these. And then finally we looked at ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are also on page number 5 of your student book. I hope you had fun today. Please, please, please practice these, just speaking. You can practice these with someone who can speak English in your house if you want. And I will see you for the next lesson in unit number 1. Have a very nice day. See you next time. Bye.